A refrigerator works by using a refrigerant to move heat from the inside of the refrigerator to the outside. The refrigerant is a liquid that has a very low boiling point. This means that it can easily turn into a gas at room temperature. When a refrigerant is in a liquid state, it is pumped through a series of coils inside the refrigerator. As the refrigerant circulates through the coils, it absorbs heat from the food and drinks inside the refrigerator. This causes the refrigerator to evaporate and turn into a gas. The gaseous refrigerant then travels to a compressor, which compresses it. This compression process causes the refrigerant to heat up. The hot refrigerant then travels to a condenser, which cools it down. As the refrigerant cools down, it condenses back into a liquid state. The liquid refrigerant then travels to an expansion valve, which reduces its pressure. This reduction in pressure causes the refrigerant to boil and turn into a gas again. The gas then travels back to the coils inside the refrigerator, and the cycle repeats. How does a freezer work? A freezer works in a similar way to a refrigerator, but it is designed to keep food frozen at temperatures below 0 degrees Celsius, 32 degrees Fahrenheit. Freezers use a more powerful compressor and a different type of refrigerant to achieve these lower temperatures. Types of refrigerators. There are many different types of refrigerators available, including top freezer refrigerators. These refrigerators have the freezer compartment on top and the fresh food compartment on the bottom. They are the most common type of refrigerator. Bottom freezer refrigerators. These refrigerators have the freezer compartment on the bottom and the fresh food compartment on top. They are becoming more popular because they are more ergonomic and easier to use. Side-by-side refrigerators. These refrigerators have the freezer compartment on one side and the fresh food compartment on the other side. They are typically wider and deeper than top freezer and bottom freezer refrigerators, so they can hold more food. French door refrigerators. These refrigerators have two doors that open from the center, revealing the fresh food compartment. They often have drawers on the bottom for freezer storage. Mini fridges. These refrigerators are smaller than traditional refrigerators and are often used in dorm rooms, offices, and other small spaces. Purpose of refrigerator. Refrigerators are used to keep food fresh and prevent it from spoiling. Food spoils when bacteria and other microorganisms grow on it. Bacteria and other microorganisms grow more quickly in warm temperatures. By keeping food cold, refrigerators slow down the growth of bacteria and other microorganisms, which keeps food fresh longer. How refrigerators harm nature. Refrigerator can harm nature in two ways. Refrigerants. The refrigerants used in refrigerators are greenhouse gases, which means that they trap heat in the atmosphere. This contributes to climate change. Energy consumption. Refrigerators use a lot of energy. Use contributes to air pollution and climate change. Changes to prevent harm to nature. There are a number of changes that can be made to reduce the environmental impact of refrigerators. Using natural refrigerants. There are a number of natural refrigerants available that are less harmful to the environment than the synthetic refrigerants that are commonly used in refrigerators today. Improving energy efficiency. Manufacturers are constantly working to improve the energy efficiency of refrigerators. This means that new refrigerators use less energy to operate, which reduces their environmental impact. Recycling old refrigerators. When you are ready to replace your old refrigerator, be sure to recycle it properly. This will help to prevent the refrigerant from leaking into the atmosphere. How can you help? There are few things you can do to help reduce the environmental impact of refrigerators. Ask your parents to buy an energy-efficient refrigerator if possible. Recycle your old refrigerator when it is time to replace it. Don't leave the refrigerator door open for too long. Make sure that the refrigerator is properly sealed. By following these tips, you can help to protect the environment and keep your food fresh. Another cool thing you can do is to subscribe our channel and support us bring useful videos like this. Thanks for watching.